Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, what if I do not want to pick all of these holes? Well, we have a set of filters. For example, we have our hole type. At this point, it picked all the holes, whether it be through or blind. We can have it, however, filter it out to either be only through or blind. So if I were to take through holes only and now click on Find Holes, you'll see that there's only one shape with two different groups. If I were to go to blind only and now click on Find Holes, you'll see that there are two shapes. So you can actually filter them out this way as well. Let's put it back at both through and blind now. Next, we have a filter for hole diameter. For example, when you're working with a single drill, not a spout drill, you can only work on one diameter at a time. The way to filter out a hole diameter is as follows. We have from and to. If I were to highlight the window from and click on one of the edges of any of the holes over here, it'll give me the diameter of that hole. If I want to stay only in that particular range, only that diameter, you'll note that my to field is the same value as well. Now when I click on Find Holes, it found me two different shapes. First shape being this blind hole over here, and this second shape being a through hole that's on top over here. If I want to filter it out from one size up to a specific size, I can do the following. Let's say I can go from this one over here, click on this hole, and my to field, I'm going to click on this hole over there. So it'll pick out all the holes that are between 4 and 7 millimeters. If I click on Find Holes now, you can see that these holes were chosen, however, the large holes were not chosen. We also have a filter for only finding the holes that have threads in them. For example, if I click on Thread Only, and now click on Find Holes, it'll pick out those 4 holes over there, because those 4 holes have threads in them, and it also falls in between this category of the sizes that I'm looking for. Now we also have a filter for hole upper levels. Let's uncheck the hole diameter for a moment. Say we want to click on all the holes. However, only holes that are found on a specific level. For example, I only want to find the holes that are my 0 level. Click on Find Holes, and you'll see it'll find the holes that are on my 0 level. These 3 shapes over here. I can also filter it from one level to a different level. For example, I can pick this level over here. Now when I click on Find Holes, you see I have more holes chosen. Another filter we have is according to the hole height. Each hole has a specific height to it as well. So that will actually control how deep I am willing to go with a specific drill. We can also do it by color-coded holes as well. Now, one more option for creating a geometry is instead of having it automatic, you have an option of manual. If I use manual, when I click on a hole, it'll give you that hole. In other words, you're picking individually the different holes that you want to work on, and you can see the list populate on the left-hand side. You have a preview button to show you exactly what has been chosen, and there you have exactly the ones you wanted. For more videos on SolidCam Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCam Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCam Professor. Take care and have a nice day.